Over 1.5 million homes finally getting title deeds. Thanks to a groundbreaking agreement between government departments and the Kushanyirika Trust, many families will soon legally own their homes. Amazing, isn't it? So, what's the Presidential Title Deeds program all about? Well, it's designed to empower communities by providing legal property ownership. It's not just about giving out documents, it's about giving people a sense of security and pride. Let's dig a little deeper. The Kushanyirika Trust is stepping up big time. They're funding all the necessary infrastructure to make sure everything is up to code and compliant. This isn't just a paper-pushing exercise. It's about creating sustainable, well-planned communities. And guess where it all starts? Epworth. Yes, Epworth is the launch site for this transformative initiative. Picture this, thousands of families in Epworth waking up to the news that they now have a title deed to their homes. It's a game changer. Owning a home legally means so much more than just having a piece of paper. It means families can invest in their properties, improve them, and even use them as collateral for loans. It's a step towards financial stability and growth. Let's not forget the broader impact. With secure ownership, communities are likely to see better infrastructure, schools, and healthcare services. This program is a catalyst for positive change. Now, some might wonder, why hasn't this been done before? Well, it's a complex process that requires collaboration and commitment from multiple stakeholders. But the good news is it's happening now, and it's happening in a big way. The Presidential Title Deeds program is a beacon of hope for many. It's about more than just homes. It's about building a brighter future for our community. It's about giving people the dignity and pride that comes with owning a piece of land. So, spread the word. Exciting times ahead for Zimbabwe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting news and stories. See you next time.